naman nito. Kaya pala lilipat ng Australia si May.
Because we won the lotto.
So, pag ibigay ni God, ready ka ba?
Welcome to Love and Laughs with the Pedregals. We are back. We are so back,
We are so back and
but not in New Zealand.
yes.
Not back in New Zealand.
Yes. And we just waited for our couch to be here. So we have something to show you. It's probably the same.
It took me the whole day just to assemble this couch.
Really?
Yeah.
We got this from IKEA.
IKEA.
IKEA. IKEA.
What do you think about IKEA?
I like IKEA. It's like a playground for me.
For
I
adults.
love it.
Playground
I love
for
IKEA.
adults.
And it's just that it's hard to tell which one you really like, because especially the mattresses, like they don't have samples. Just pick. And I don't want to buy something which I haven't really tried, like test
Jump up and down.
up and down. No kaunggoy. Anyway, welcome to our podcast again. I think the last time we had podcast was when we were in Auckland.
Yes.
Yes, with your siblings.
Yes. With the Pedregals.
Yeah, with the OG Pedregals. And I think that time was already the time when we were planning to move to Australia.
Yeah.
Australia.
Australia.
May accent na ako, charot.
Australia.
And yeah, we're only filming from my phone, because I lost the charger of my camera. Can't remember where to place it, but I'm really sure that I brought it.
I lost my sunglasses.
Yeah, I think there's a duwende.
I don't know where it went.
Yeah, like we didn't even bring out all our stuff when we arrived here.
Yeah.
From the maleta, but we're losing stuff. Anyways, there might be hiding. So our topic for tonight is gonna be why we decided to move to Australia.
Because we won the lotto.
And we will be answering issues like that. Oh my gosh.
What do you mean? We won the
Yeah,
lotto.
like we will be answering, did we really win the lotto?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
People are thinking like we won the lotto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just because we're moving.
Just because we're moving. But anyway,
Genius.
how about we give out reasons why we moved here? And like, yeah. How did we decide? From your perspective.
From my perspective, I think you wanted to move to Australia
Me.
first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like because of like more money and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was really looking into it because as a nurse, like lots of nurses already moved to Australia. In 2024, I've heard that there are like 8,000 nurses
What?
that really moved
That's one
moved
hospital.
here. And yeah, and obviously like my best friend is in Sydney and we keep on talking about it. And I think it was always in my mind to
Mhm.
move. However,
Ever
though,
since?
a little bit, because like Denden was kept on telling me like how it is here and all blah blah blah. But also we were like thinking of buying a house,
Yeah.
you know, building a life together in New Zealand.
Yeah.
Like if we were stable enough, then we would have stayed.
Yep.
Yeah. So I think mainly it's because of the higher pay.
Yes.
Now, like other nurses are coming here doing agency, and they get paid more, like twice as much as our salary back in New Zealand, back home. And I didn't want to do that
Mm-hmm.
because it's casual.
Yes.
And that means we will be thrown to,
Anywhere,
outback.
anywhere in Australia.
Yeah. And I don't want to leave JJ.
I'm gonna come with you.
He's going to come with
I'm
me.
gonna come with you.
But like, I don't want to leave you for like a couple of weeks or 4 weeks. Yeah. And because what's the point?
Yeah.
What's the point of making money?
Because long distance doesn't work. Yeah,
That's
just us. Though.
yeah, we don't
We don't believe in that.
we don't believe in being away from each other.
Yes.
And so I said, if I decide to go to Australia, then I should live there permanently and
Mhm.
not temporarily.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we
To make it official, what like how much is the difference of like the salary of nurses here compared to New Zealand? Just so like it's clear to everyone, diba?
hindi
Is
siya
it like a big
no, no,
difference
no,
or
no, no. It's not a big difference. Like if per hour, maybe in it. This is my experience. Maybe $5 more.
five only?
Yeah,
Okay.
but the good thing is Australia has salary packaging.
Yes.
So when you say salary packaging, there's like your take home pay is more
Yes.
compared to in New Zealand. New Zealand doesn't have salary packaging. And that's gonna be lesser tax because you're we'll explain it on the next.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's difficult to explain, but
Difficult to explain.
technically, because of the salary packaging, I get more pay, like
Take home.
take home pay. So in context, back in New Zealand, I used to work 2 jobs. 8 days a fortnight in my first job, and casual, which I pick up one shift per fortnight, at least one shift. So that's like the normal 10 days a fortnight. And if I don't do weekends, I cannot like I cannot even reach, the my goal.
Mm-hmm.
But if I do weekends plus the extra second job, that's the only time that I reach my goal amount. But here I'm only doing 8 days per fortnight, and I think I only did two weekend days, and it's already more than my goal. So
Amen.
that's the context.
Also, there's like few questions about nursing. So is it like harder? They say it's harder, right? The job here.
I think it depends on which institution you apply for.
Okay.
Because if you're in public hospital, their patient ratio is less. But
So it's
if you're in in private hospital, the patient ratio is more, which has always been a case even in New Zealand.
so public to public, it's better here
Yeah.
because you have less patients.
Well, same patients, but I'm not really sure because I haven't. I'm employed in a private.
Fair enough.
So, but in comparison to private, they said that the work in public is lighter.
Yeah, there you go, guys. Nursing questions.
101.
If you're planning to move here in Australia
Yeah.
from New Zealand.
So yeah,
So, yeah.
that's the reason. Like number one reason is more pay.
More pay.
Second reason is so
Affordable. Is it more affordable?
what do you think?
I feel like it's the same.
Yeah, I feel like it's the same because we're living in the city.
Yeah, people say na it's cheaper. I mean,
The grocery is. I think the grocery is.
yeah, it's
'Cause we can-
there's not much difference.
Because
though.
we can buy like fruits and vegetables for cheaper price. we're only spending more because we're new and we're wanting more fruits. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun?
There's a lot of fruits though. Like,
Yeah.
mm.
So,
But it's pretty close. I would say it's pretty close.
yeah, actually, it's close. It's
Because I was thinking it's really cheap,
yeah.
like super
But
cheap.
if you're someone na naghahanap talaga ng deals,
Yeah,
oh, you'll be great here. Because
there's a lot of like
this
sales.
JJ and I are not very patient in like going and looking for deals.
We
Like
just
go
go.
around and
I think it's like time. It's like timely. They sometimes have like deals and stuff.
like going to other
But not
places.
but
Going
not
to
every
checking
time.
out other grocery shop which is
Yeah.
cheaper. We're not like that. Even New Zealand, we're not like that. And because we're lazy. So yeah, and wait, nilalamig talaga ako, Jay. Patayin mo nga muna.
Mainit.
Like, I'm so cold. Kasi nakatapat yung aircon. Sinasabi ko, JJ, pumunta nga ako dito sa mainit, tapos palalamigin mo ko palagi.
It's so hot.
Anyway, tingnan mo, oh, my hand's freezing. Anyway,
The main difference is it's so hot here compared to
okay,
New
so
Zealand.
let's talk about the weather. I didn't know that Australia is a tropical country, subtropical country.
Subtropical.
So when we moved from New Zealand, sabi kay JJ, okay, let's try, let's explore if it's worth it, if we will like it.
Because you're gonna think na the weather is pretty much
The same.
because
we're very close.
Yeah,
We're just 3 hours flight.
Yeah.
And then
But it's big difference.
I said to JJ, our target is this year talaga. And then I said to JJ na
2025.
24, let's try to visit Australia and see if we like it.
Yes.
And honestly, we didn't know which area in Australia we will go. I was just looking at, online.
How many cities are there in Australia?
I don't know, bro.
There's like the big cities, the main ones. Sydney,
Sydney,
Melbourne,
Perth,
Brisbane, and
Gold Coast,
yeah.
Adelaide.
Yeah. And then the
I don't know the rest.
the capital.
Canberra.
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 There you go.
So, I was thinking,
So Sydney.
Sydney, I don't like
You
Sydney.
don't like Sydney.
Well, my best friend is there, but she's telling me that it's very expensive in Sydney and madaming tao.
I don't like Melbourne.
Melbourne,
I don't like.
JJ doesn't like Melbourne. He's been there,
I've been
and
there
he really doesn't like Melbourne.
just for some reason.
Yeah, and it's very...
I don't wanna say it. but
Unfortunately, wala akong ma-base kasi yung mga alam ko na lumipat to Australia, sa Melbourne
sa
lumilipat.
Melbourne, yeah.
Sabi ko, oh my gosh, tapos ayaw ni JJ.
Nah.
So, we have a friend that lives in Gold Coast who also moved there a year before we moved, or 2
Yeah.
years before we moved. And then I was looking at the place, like, oh, Gold Coast, and like maybe we'll like it there. But I was thinking the bigger city is Brisbane,
Brisbane.
close to
1
Gold
hour.
Coast, just an hour
An
drive.
hour drive, yeah.
So I was like, how about we try Brisbane? I told JJ we went here in December, and obviously that's like hitting 2 birds in 1 stone because Gold Coast is very close. So
Yep.
we also went to Gold
If
Coast.
you wanna go to the beach, you go to Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast.
Yes, I didn't know about
Easy,
Sunshine Coast
yeah.
that time. So in December last year, 2024, we were like, okay, let's book our Christmas and New Year. And it's just JJ and I, guys. Like, the two of us were family. So we really didn't have to think about, other people or other extended families because it's just the two of us. So it's like,
Just the two of us.
oh, diba? Sabi ko, let's do this. Let's go. Sabi niya, okay, let's go. Let's
Let's
try. Let's try. But people have been telling us that a few days in Australia is not enough to know that you're gonna move there.
No?
Yeah, like, diba sabi ni
Oh.
Joe na, you have to stay there 6 months
No.
para malaman mo na gusto mo talaga yung place. And sabi namin, no, we can't do that. Like,
We don't have
we don't have that
we don't have
time.
6 months.
Yeah, we don't have that time to really know and feel
Yeah.
whether we like the place.
Yeah.
So,
Wait, so we've been here for
so we went here
we went
in
here
December for only 10 days.
10 days.
Yeah. And oh my God, I kid you not, I was so surprised after we landed. We went out of the airport and I was like, what? Ang init dito, parang Pinas.
So hot.
Like,
It's so warm.
the Gold Coast though, airport is very breezy.
Yeah.
Like, alam mo talaga na nandyan na yung dagat.
Mm.
And I was like, oh my gosh, hindi ko to na-imagine na ganito pala yung weather ng Australia.
Feels like home.
I know, it felt so homey.
Yeah.
Because obviously we're from the Philippines. Like, we lived,
Like the
I-
feeling is familiar.
yeah, I lived in New Zealand for 7 years. JJ maybe 8
Yeah.
years. And then, arriving in Australia, and I was like, naiiyak ako. And I was like, oh, totoo naman. Sabi ko, oh, Jay, parang Pinas. Sabi ko nga, di ba? So, vlog ko.
Mm.
Yeah, so we arrived here in December, and we were like, oh, this is a nice place. I like the weather. I'm not, because the weather is mainly my, big deal breaker.
Reason?
Yeah, my deal breaker because I cannot take it already like sa cold.
Yeah.
Kasi I become depressed.
Mhm.
See, it's seasonal depression.
Ano ka, mangga?
There's such thing. Like if you're
Okay.
from the tropics and then you go to somewhere cold, you get depressed when it's winter.
Mm.
And that's me. Like
Seasonal depression is real.
and that's me, and I get really sad if it's cold kasi parang I don't feel productive, wala akong nagagawa.
Mm.
So,
That's me the whole year.
tamad ka kasi. So yeah, so that's why I was like, this is good start. When we landed, I'm like, oh, this
Yeah.
is a good start. And then we went to our friend's house, and we were so amazed that they're living in an apartment, high-rise apartment.
bedroom.
It's so like the view is so good in
Yeah.
Gold Coast. We're like, oh, this is my dream. Like this has been my dream, living in an apartment
In the city.
in the city, like just me.
What?
Meron kasi ako pina-follow na vlogger dati na nag-aano siya. Tapos sabi ko, ala, ang saya nito.
Mm.
Oh, kaso kasama kita.
Ba-
So, no choice na ako.
Ang galing mo eh.
So, yeah. And then when we went to Brisbane, honestly, I fell in love with the place. Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. We ate lots of mangoes,
Yeah.
lots of fruits. Like,
Yeah.
that was my best memory of Brisbane. Went to Sunshine Coast, and then the feeling after visiting Australia and then going back to New Zealand, every day we kept longing for Australia.
Like I want to move
Yeah, like immediately we
right
wanna
there
move.
and then
Yeah, to
Like-
Brisbane.
let's just quit our job and
Yeah.
go to Brisbane.
Yeah,
Yeah. 'Cause
That-
it's like it felt like we're missing so
So
much.
much.
Yeah.
like we're missing so much. There's lots to see,
Yeah.
cheaper things to buy. Lots of options.
Like Brisbane has like a lot to offer
Yeah.
that we're like missing in New Zealand.
Yeah. So obviously JJ and I were like thinking, and JJ started applying after that. And I had to wait for my registration,
Mhm.
the timing. And then we went on May and my birthday, we went to Auckland and, see family. And we eventually like told them that we're planning to move. Like, so in May, we told them, baka in 2 months, alis na kami.
Yeah.
So they were so shocked, like, 2 months, ganyan, ang bilis. And then God is so good that I got my job offer end of July. So May, June, July.
Amen.
That was so perfect. Like, oh my gosh. So it was really for us.
Yes. So far, moving here it was smooth. Like
Yeah.
it
Like,
was like yeah,
obviously, JJ had like a few rejections. I had a few rejections a job.
yeah. I applied for like a lot.
Yeah, like we had lots of rejections. But
You just have to do it. Like apply
yeah.
for
Yeah, like
anything.
but every time I have rejections, I always think, what are we gonna lose? Like, we're in New Zealand.
Mm,
Like, we have a life in New Zealand. If you don't get accepted in Australia, then fine, it's not for us.
yeah.
So we just kept on applying and applying. Eventually, someone took us.
Yes. Thank you.
So to cut the story short, we had jobs.
Yep.
And then after that,
We had jobs before we
we
got
moved
here.
here. Yeah.
Because some people say na it's you go to, you have to be there first and
Mm,
then you apply,
mm.
you know.
That wasn't an option for us. Because what if we move here?
Yeah.
That's very risky.
Yeah.
And I'm not that kind of person. I want everything planned. I want everything, you know, walang duda.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun na maghihirap ka. Eventually, like, may chance na maghirap ka.
Yeah.
So, sabi ko, no, that's not possible.
So, yeah, so maybe you have you try to apply first before moving here,
Yeah.
'di ba?
Yeah, like, that's
It might take
a
a
while.
while, but
But what are you gonna lose?
at least
If
you
you're
have a
from New
job.
Zealand, if you're from New Zealand. But,
Cause I don't think, cause I think it's there's some people na who came here and doesn't have can find a job, diba?
yeah.
So it doesn't mean you came here and you apply, you
You
will
have an
have
edge.
yeah, you'll have like a job. Because like us, like they accept people from New Zealand anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like
That's true.
yeah,
Yeah, because even JJ had a job before.
yeah,
Like, had a job offer before coming here.
yeah.
So, that's like,
So it's just not nurses na
yeah,
hindi mo madali, like it's not easy, but like
it will come.
yeah,
So, like, that wasn't an option for us. Like, not have a job and then just come here. Feeling ko kasi if you do that, for me, it's very impulsive to do. Because you sell everything home, you come here, you're not sure if you're gonna get a job.
how are you gonna start over?
Yeah. And it's very important when you start over that you have finances.
You'll end up na magtitipid ka every day. You're gonna worry every day. What are you gonna
Mm-hmm.
spend?
Mm-hmm. And JJ and I are not in that mindset anymore. Like, we talked and was like, if we move, we'll spend.
Spend.
Because it's so hard to move.
Yeah.
It's really hard to move and then you tipid all the time.
Yeah.
It's already hard being in a new country. It's even harder if you don't have a budget.
Yes.
So we really budgeted for this.
Yes.
Like, I stopped buying stuff because I know I'm moving.
Yeah.
And then I save it. And then, like, selling our stuff so we have something, budgeted for our move. And then, ayun na. So, may jobs na kami, July. And then
July, August, September. Okay.
yeah, July 29. So, July 29, that's technically almost August. So, 1 month preparation for our applications. Because we have to provide, like, evidences. Like, so many requirements. Wait, so reason namin is, first, money. Second is the weather. And third is we feel like
The city.
we're missing out.
Yeah. I
Like,
think the city.
we fell in love to
the city itself.
Yeah, we fell in love to the city.
Some people say na Brisbane is boring though, di ba?
Yeah, those people that are from Australia.
Yeah. Others
But
from
have they
Australia.
lived in Christchurch? I mean, Christchurch is not boring.
Christchurch, I love Christchurch.
But I love Christchurch. But if you try coming here,
Yeah.
and then, although it depends on, it depends
Yeah.
on people to people. But dito ko na-realize, City girl pala talaga ako. City girl pala talaga ako. And Brisbane is not like Auckland. Because we've been to Auckland many times and we don't want to live there.
It's better.
Yeah, I think Brisbane is better because
It's
it's
better.
huge. Like,
Yeah.
compared to Auckland, Auckland is huge, but you still can't avoid people because they tend to populate in one area that's sikat.
Yeah.
Compared here, you can't avoid people because there are lots of places
Yeah.
na mapupuntahan talaga. And yun. So that was our journey. After we got a job, 4 weeks preparation, and said our farewells, we sold everything.
Everything.
Everything. Our furniture.
Not everything. Like
Everything. Like, yeah, technically,
almost
almost
everything.
everything. Like, furniture namin.
Yeah.
Lahat ng hindi na namin kailangan. Like, some people ship their furniture,
Yeah.
but us, we don't want the hassle. So we just
It's
sold.
expensive.
It's so expensive. It's really expensive. We
Yeah.
just sold it and then,
And you need like a container because you don't have a place here yet.
yeah. So we didn't,
I
like,
don't
imagine, imagine finding a place for your things. Or just stuff. Like, we talked about it and like, sabi namin, we shouldn't be attached to our things. Kasi, they're just things.
You gotta go.
Yeah, and then you can find them again, maybe slowly.
Except my computer.
Oh yeah, it's expensive. It's, dinala niya talaga. Oh
Of
well.
course.
Yeah, but I think people can't let go of their things because they already built something.
Yeah.
Like, we're not talking about your computer. We're talking about, the household.
Yeah.
Kasi they already built it. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Mahirap i-let go yung
Mm.
something na build mo na,
Yeah.
home na siya.
Yeah.
Familiarity of it.
Yeah.
But I really said to myself na if it will cost us more, never mind. No?
Tsaka the hustle.
The hassle of it. It's just the two of us, just JJ
No
and I.
chance.
Like,
There's no
technically, it's
chance
just
we're gonna
JJ.
bring it.
Siya lang yung magbubuhat ng lahat.
Galing mo.
Yeah. So, to a lot of people around us, they think na it was very sudden.
Yes, because we don't tell anyone.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't tell anyone until we got the confirmation na we have a job.
Yeah. We planned for it for a long time,
Yes.
but we didn't tell anybody.
No jinx for us.
Yeah, it's not that we really believe in jinx, but
Yeah.
we don't want talking about something that's not even
Yeah,
sure.
because like it's for example, me. Oh, we're going to Brisbane. When? I don't know yet, but we're going. I'll find a job first. Like it's not like, like there's nothing
It's a waste
there.
of energy
Yeah,
talking about it.
Why you wanna go to Brisbane? When? Sure ka na ba? Diba?
Yeah. And people will sway your mind
Yeah,
then.
tapos, yeah, exactly, na wag na lang lumipat. Mas maganda dito, ganyan,
Yeah.
ganyan. But when you have like a job confirmation na, okay, you can start this day. So we can tell anyone na, oh, we're moving to Brisbane. Oh, may work ka na? Yeah, may work na.
Oh,
Kaya
diba?
mag-start ako dito, ganyan, ganyan. So, like, there's
mas
no
madali.
turning back ba na.
Yeah.
It's there, like,
You just have to do it.
it's solid na nandun na. It just looks sudden.
Yeah, it looked sudden kasi parang 1 month lang namin in-announce.
Yeah, I understand that, but we've been planning this for like a year.
And God knew.
At least a year.
And God knew how much we prayed for this.
Yeah.
Like, every night, we prayed for it.
Yeah.
Na if it is for us, God, please give it to us.
So, yeah. And we're not like the kind of person na we tell our plans to everyone. No, no, no.
Yeah. That's the lesson. I mean, they are only plans.
Yes.
And why bother telling it to people? Like, it's not happening yet.
Yeah.
They're only plans.
Mhm.
You know, it can change.
Can change.
So we don't really like telling people our plans, but we tell them, on a closer time na, or
Tsaka mas maganda, mukhang surprise.
yeah. I mean, people
You're
were
moving?
surprised and sad, like our close friends and families were really sad.
Surprise!
But yeah, it's
You
it's
gotta
our
move on,
it's
you
our
know?
decision,
Yeah.
and we feel like so far, to almost 2 months,
Almost 2
so
months.
far we're really liking it here.
We love it.
It was scary at first, I kept telling JJ, "Oh, this
We
is
have
so scary,
we have a
Jay."
nice apartment. We have a nice view of the city.
Because we're in the 15th floor.
When you go down to the apartment, there's heaps of restaurants, cafes.
Cafes, grocery shops
It
already.
feels like everything is so close to us.
Yeah.
Like
You just walk.
it's crazy. Like
Yeah. And alam mo ba, at first, I felt so scared, but at the same time, excited. Alam mo
yeah.
yon, like, I kept telling JJ, "Jay, scary naman nito."
What's scary?
Yung pag-move.
Uh
Kasi what if mali yung decision natin?
yeah.
Yeah, it was scary. It felt scary, but it's yun nga yung sinasabi nila na be careful what you wish for.
Mm.
Kasi baka ibigay ni God. So pag
Yes.
ibigay ni God, ready ka ba?
Mm.
'Di ba?
Mm.
So I had to gather my courage to really go through the process. Kasi hiningi ko to kay God eh.
Yeah. Tapos binigay na. Oh.
'Di ba? But binigay na niya yung gusto mo, but it's really hard work.
It
Like,
is hard work.
hard work, yung pagbenta ng mga
It's hard.
gamit, pag-arrange ng mga,
I think that's
pag-apply.
one of the hardest things to do is to move.
Yeah, like,
It's to move out.
yeah,
Actually.
deciding is easy, but
Bro,
moving out
moving
is
out
so
is
hard. And even like, processing, paperworks, nag-flashback lahat yung mga
Yeah.
pinasses ko sa Pinas papuntang New Zealand. Alam mo yun? Alam mo yun? Parang nag-apply ulit ako sa ibang, well, nag-apply naman talaga ako sa ibang country. It's difficult. It's more, kasi, I mean, like, hindi ko kasi in-expect. Like, I thought New Zealand and Australia is almost the same, but
yeah.
it's hell different talaga. Like, really different. So, yeah, yun yung journey namin. Like, when we came here, we stayed at a friend's house for a week. Only 5 suitcases, 5 luggages. And then, we start from really nothing, sleeping in airbed for 2 weeks kasi
Yeah.
ang tagal dumating ng
I can't
in-order
even
kong
sleep.
mattress.
It's weird.
Yeah, and we only just got, this
Yeah.
couch. The journey of finding
It was
an
a fun
apartment.
journey though.
Yeah, it was fun.
It
Yeah, like
was
parang
fun.
nagbakasyon kami, but
Buying all this stuff.
obviously I had to start work na.
First time buying a mattress and we put it on the top of our car.
Yeah,
That's
that
crazy.
was an adventure. Yeah, so like we survived.
Yeah.
Now the $1 million question.
Did we win $1 million?
Did we win the 20 million lotto?
Find out in the next video.
Charot. I think to set things straight.
To set things straight, yung mga nagsasabi nun, mga bobo.
Hoy, you're so mean.
To keep things straight, di ba? Para tumigil na sila.
Okay. Explain natin yung story natin. When I resigned,
Pero yung ibang hindi nakakaalam na yung sa rumor, malalaman nila. Yung rumor.
Well, we're setting things straight. It's already 2 months that we've been away.
Okay.
When I resigned, parang later pa yun, mga after a week and a half pa, in-announce ng manager ko, like, for my farewell. And then, I resigned after on the weekend of that, someone won the lotto in Christchurch, 20 million, 25, 20 something,
Yeah.
20-ish million. Obviously, hindi ko na pinansin yun. So, I had a few days off because, I had to finish stuff for my application, documentations, and all. When I came back to work, so meron ng poster doon na I'm leaving, farewell party
Mm.
sa work. When I came back to work, someone came to me and was like getting his hanky. And he was like, May, ang swerte mo naman. Anuhan mo naman ako ng swerte. And I was like, huh? Ganun lang ako. Like, wala talaga akong idea. And then he is like, hindi niya ako tinatantanan sa break ko.
Mm.
Like, ang swerte mo naman, ang swerte mo naman. I don't know why. Hindi ko siya pinapansin really. I
Mm.
thought he heard the news that I'm leaving for Australia.
Mm.
I thought he thinks that's swerte.
Mm.
So I was like, okay. And then, hindi ko siya pinapansin. And then, after a while, I'm off work na naman.
Mm.
Dami kong days off that time. Kasi parang nag-leave yata ako dun. Tapos dumating sa na Lawrence. And then, pagkabalik ko, I mean, parang narinig ko na nananalo daw ako ng loto.
Mm.
Guys, nanalo daw kami ni JJ ng loto. Pagkabalik ko, ang mga tao like, they're talking about me. Nafe-feel ko. And then suddenly, yung friend ko nagsabi, Hoy, May! Ganyan. Pabalato naman. Ganyan, ganyan. Hindi ko pa pinapansin.
Mm.
Tapos yung friend ko, pumunta sa bahay, nagsabi, May, like, because he knows that I'm leaving, so we're talking, like, farewell.
Mm.
Sabi niya, May, like, you're the talk of the town. You won the lotto. And I was like, huh? Like, you know what? They're really asking me to ask you if you won the lotto. And I was like, no! Oh my gosh, is this why people are like telling me na swerte ako, ganun ganyan? Someone even texted me, Uy, May, congrats. Is it true? And obviously I said, yes. Because I thought they were talking about me moving to Australia.
Mm.
And, tas ang reply niya is, ang swerte mo naman. You're so lucky. And I was like, how can I be lucky? Like, I applied for it and then I got the job. And they're like, no. About nanalo daw ako ng lotto. And I was like, huh? I'm so lost. Like, what? Ano ba ito?
Like, paano naisip ng tao na nanalo ka ng loto? Like,
So, ayun, like, every time I go back to work, they said na, nanalo ka daw talaga. You're telling me na nanalo ako, hindi nga ako tumaya. Sabi nila,
asan yung official statement na nanalo kami?
yeah, that's Filipino couple daw working in Christchurch Hospital.
I don't think like it's Filipino ko. I think it's just like a cop because they don't tell the the nationality or anything like that eh. They only pag may nanalo sa lotto, they only tell na it's a couple from Christchurch or whatever. That's it.
Yeah.
There's no Filipino couple working in the hospital.
Tapos sabi
Like,
nila,
what?
kaya pala lilipat ng Australia si May. Sudden daw yung resignation niya.
Also, if you won the lotto, diba? Like, you're not gonna move.
Yeah.
And I don't think you can use that money outside New Zealand anyway.
Bro, I don't have a clue.
Because that's New Zealand money.
I don't know. Really
I don't think you
know
can
that.
use it.
And then, sabi, taga Auckland daw yung lalaki. Pumunta ng Christchurch.
Bugo.
JJ's family is in
Yeah,
Auckland.
my family's in Auckland.
So it kinda like,
But I'm not from Auckland. Like, what the hell?
and then they're saying, nagja-gym daw yung lalaki. And then people are asking me, nagja-gym ba si JJ? Nagja-gym nga.
Imagine mo eh. Filipino couple won the lotto working in Christchurch Hospital who came from Auckland na nag-gym. Like, what?
Like, you know,
saan nyo nakuha yun?
you know what to give you a context, the rumor is so intense. up to now, like this week, I just got a text that, oh, I've heard that you won the lotto, and they're still talking about it until now.
It's funny
Like
kasi
3
nagji-gym ako.
months. Pilingon.
Paano nila? Sinabi lang nila yun, like, nagji-gym yun. Para lang makonect, di ba? Like, bro.
And I know that they're like, people are talking about me because like my friends are asking me. I mean, mayroon akong mga friends and they're telling me that, oh, they're still talking about you.
Yeah.
And,
Kasi nagpo-post ako sa story. Pinupost.
ito pa. Like, we're
Tapos
always
sabi-
posting when we came here.
Tapos may nag-message, parang nanalo talaga sa loto ah. Bro, can't we just like post? We post every time. Like,
Yeah, like, we eat out all the time.
ba't nung nasa New Zealand kami, pinupost ko to, hindi nyo kami sinasabi, parang nanalo sa, like, di ba, like,
Yeah.
we do the same things, like,
Did it piss you off?
it pissed me off. You know why? Because it's not real, like,
Yeah.
nakakainis kasi, like, they thought na it's real. I guess that's, like, the rumor na, ganun talaga yung rumors, di ba? Yung mga chismis.
Nadadagdagan,
Nakakainis.
nakukulangan.
Nakakainis
Yeah.
kasi, like, it's not real, di ba? I mean, hindi ako mainis kung totoo eh. Like, makikijoin lang ako, ganyan-ganyan.
Mm-mm.
But it got to a point na sobrang tagal na, ganun pa rin. Like, they thought, this is bullshit. Like,
It pissed me off because dun ko na ano ko yung na-prove ko yung intensity ng kachismoso
Yeah.
ng mga Pinoy.
totoo.
Like, literally.
I
Like-
cannot believe na ganun pala yung nararamdaman ng mga nachichismis.
Yeah.
Parang ang OA eh. Di ba? Pero
na-piss
like,
off ako kasi, na-piss off ako sa thought na pinag-uusapan ako in, you know, in a bad way. I mean, it's not a bad thing probably, but, you know, I can see people that they want to talk to me. Let's say, from afar, they're looking at me.
Akala mo babalatuan.
I know, from afar, they're looking at me. I know na gusto nilang kausapin na sasabihin na, tapos pag kinausap na ako, tapos sa last, nanalo ka talaga ng loto. Kaya mo ba ako kinausap?
Yeah.
Kaya mo ba ako kinausap? Kasi gusto mo sabihin na nanalo ako ng loto. Oh my God!
And ito pa, like, yung mga naniniwala lang doon, mga Pinoy lang.
Yeah. Honestly. And whatever, like, kahit sabihin mong hindi totoo, sabihin niya, hindi pa maniniwala! Nabuang.
Like, mukha ba tayong nanalo sa loto? Like in
Okay,
reality?
okay.
I don't
sabihin
get
ko,
it because
they think that
nothing changed.
Okay, I think something changed. Kasi, they think that we won the lotto because look at us. We're buying new stuff. It seems like our life is upgraded. And, you know, like we're going out, always posting. But they don't know how much we sacrificed for the things that
Yeah.
we have now.
At saka, I'm pretty sure na hindi lang naman tayo yung kilala nila na pumunta dito. Tapos, ganito, same lang, di ba?
Same lang yun,
Nakabili ng bahay, ang ganda ng bahay, nakabili ng kotse.
Mm.
Siya yung sabihan nyo na nanalo sa loto.
I can't believe like people
Like,
just can't be happy for hardworking people. They always speculate
yeah.
na kasi ganito.
Yeah.
It pisses me off because
At first, I don't really care. Kasi like, it will die off.
me too.
But until now, like,
Until now, they're still
Like,
talking about it.
mga
nananalo.
bugo na kayo, kung hanggang
You
ngayon,
still believe it.
yeah,
Yeah.
mga bugo, ako na magsabi, mga bugo kayo kung naniniwala pa rin kayo. Like, do
Yeah.
you think na we're gonna live like this if we won the lottery?
Yeah.
No, we're gonna live more than this.
It pisses me off, you know? It pisses me off because ito lang na-realize ko. Palagi ako nagre-reflect. Bakit ba ako naiinis? It's just a rumor. It's not true. It pisses me off because it discredits my hard work.
Yeah.
Our hard work.
Yeah.
our sacrifices.
Mm.
Like, you guys don't know how much we sacrificed, we saved up so we can come here
Yeah.
and buy the stuff, like upgraded the stuff that you want. For example ha, JJ and I bought a new car, and it's not the most expensive car, but it's definitely an upgrade from
Yeah.
what we had.
Because matagal na ako nagtitiis sa luma naming kotse sa New Zealand.
Yes. So we had an
So
old
this
car.
time, I want an upgrade kasi 'di ba? Alam nga namang tagal ko nagtitiis tapos hanggang ngayon magtitiis pa ako, nasa New City na ako.
Yeah, and we need a car.
Yeah, and we
We
need
need a
car.
car. And so that's an example of how much we really sacrifice. Like, there are really times back in New Zealand that JJ wanted to upgrade the car kasi his old car is like really old na, manual pa, and then it's been paid off already.
Yeah.
We're not paying for, car repayments.
Yeah.
But yun, and until like it's about time.
Yeah.
Like, cause we're not impulsive people. Like, oh, tapos na yung magbayad ng
Yeah.
car, bili ulit ng bago.
Yeah. We think
No, we're
about
not,
it
like, we
hard.
think about, we really think about it. And now na nagka-rumor na nanalo kami ng loto, imagine, it discredits our sacrifice na hindi bumili ng bagong car sa New Zealand for this. So, nadi-discredit siya. Naiisip ko nga, kaya pala ako naiinis kasi, like, we sacrifice so much, delayed gratification. We delay our gratification for something great.
Yeah.
You know, that's delayed gratification. You sacrifice the small things for something great. And then, sasabihin ka lang na you end up with good things kasi nanalo ka ng loto. Eh, hindi naman totoo.
Yeah.
'Di ba? And they don't know the nights that we really prayed, like verbally, the both of us prayed to God na, God, give us this. Like, we will try our best. Lord, if this is for us,
Yeah.
give us this. So, yun pala, kaya ako naiinis talaga kasi nadi-discredit yung hard work namin, sakripisyo, prayers, kasi, I don't know, like, people will think good things comes easy to us. Because we're just happy, posting.
Yeah.
Ipakita namin na umiiyak kami. Diba? And then, you just, like, we're just contented on what we have.
Yeah.
We're not pressured to, example, people around us are buying a house. We're not pressured to buy a house
No.
back in New Zealand because we think we're not ready yet. Like, we don't have the money, we don't have the money not because we're spending it, like we're extra spending it, but because we have other responsibilities at this time.
And we know na we cannot achieve the life we want if we bought a house.
No, like, I think that's the achievable goal naman if you buy a house. But,
Yeah.
hindi talaga siya kaya.
Mm.
Yun lang. Period. Hindi porket, baka hindi na kami makalabas. Dahil, hindi naman kami pala, like, all the time talaga lumalabas. And if we labas, konyo, if we go out, let's say we go out on a weekend, on the weekdays, we sacrifice, the spare money not to use it so that we can go out on a weekend.
Yeah.
So, yun, guys. Sorry to disappoint you, but wala kayong balato.
Wala
Kasi
kayong
hindi kami
balato.
nanalo.
Kahit kausapin nyo pa to, wala kayong balato.
Oh my God. So,
Oh my
yeah,
God.
that's the $1 million question. Did we win the lotto? Unfortunately, no. But I think I think we'll start buying tickets so we
Yeah.
can win. Kasi you manifested it
I was
na.
buying, pa naman, like, every week.
JJ was buying every week. And
Yeah.
that time na sinasabi na nanalo kami, hindi siya bumili kasi we're so busy.
Yeah, we were busy.
We were so busy.
Yeah.
Tapos nanalo pala kami. May nagsasabi pa na, baka hindi lang niya alam, nanalo talaga siya.
Paano
How?
hindi mo malalaman nung
How
nanalo
is
na
that
nanalo siya?
even possible?
Imagine mo, mas nauna pang nakaalam yung mga Pinoy doon kaysa sa nanalo mismo. Like, anong klaseng statement yun?
Oh my
But
gosh.
like, yeah, now we experience the chismis. Yung legit na
Legit na
chismis na
chismis, na
Pinoy
machichismis.
chismis.
Yeah,
That's crazy, bro.
I know.
Ganun pala yung kalala.
Yeah.
Yung napapanood mo sa tulpo, nagsusumbong kasi chinismis yung
Sobrang lala.
chinismis niya yung I'm like, oh, chinismis. Ano naman? Chinismis lang naman ah.
Ito pa ha, someone like, meron akong na-experience na someone na taga ibang ward. Tapos, siya daw yung nagsabi sa mga tao dun sa ward nila. But, when she worked in our ward and like, I get to like talk to her, she didn't mention it to me. But she was already talking about me. Fuck. Naiinis ako. Like, are you talking about me? Buti kung sinishare mo yung mga content ko. Ganun na lang. Yeah, like, it's crazy, but people believe rumors.
Yeah.
And, buti ganun yung rumor sa atin.
Good rumor.
Yeah, it's a
Is
good
that
rumor.
a good rumor?
I think so.
Nakakainis lang kasi hindi to.
Hindi
Hindi,
totoo.
chismis eh. Hindi naman totoo yung chismis.
Nakakainis lang
Diba?
kasi,
Technically, yung chismis, hindi totoo.
nakakainis kasi, alam mo, like, we're happy, but people are gonna be trying to, dim your light. Alam mo yon, maliitin yung na-achieve mo. Parang sinasabi mo na, kunyari, may nag-top sa school. Parang sinasabi mo, ay, kasi ano, alam mo yon, kasi may ganito. Like,
but it doesn't affect us in any way.
Doesn't affect our daily life.
Yeah.
But if every time I hear it again,
so yung
it's
mga
just-
chismis nyo, wala talagang effect.
yeah,
Parang ganun.
yeah,
We're just trying to, what do you call this? Maybe explain to clear things up, diba? Kasi
Yeah.
nandito na eh. So, we just letting it out. But day to day, it doesn't matter to us.
like, just open my Facebook and I get views.
Siguro mas affected pa sila kaysa sa atin. Alam mo yun?
Super! Like, they're still
yung-
talking about it.
Hindi siguro sila makatulog knowing na baka nanalo tayo sa Like,
Guys, we're
it's
just
funny.
living the life.
It's just funny, guys. Like,
Yeah, I think that's how we will end things here. Oh well, that's our journey, our funny journey. I can't believe I left an impact. So iconic.
iconic.
I hope you have a lovely night and see you on the next podcast. Bye.
Turbo. Turbo?
Ano sasabi mo?
Turbo. Turbo?
Tubol.
Tubol.
Okay, bye-bye.
Have a good one. Oh.
Have a good one.